Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about flying gliders and sailplanes, ultralight aircraft, radio control, NASA, and a lot more. At the end of this video, be sure and subscribe so you'll get the latest videos that I make public. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about landing the PW-5 glider. It makes an excellent cross-country trainer. The glider weighs about 400 pounds empty and about 650 maximum gross weight, has a wingspan of about 45 feet. Stall speed is about 35. I cruise between 50 and 60 miles an hour typically. So this will be the landing sequence, and you'll also get information in real time displayed on the screen. So let's watch the action. Okay, on the bottom left hand corner, that is ground speed, not air speed. So don't get that confused. GPS can only calculate ground speed. At the top center is the compass heading. On the right hand side is the rate of climb indicator is measured in feet per minute. And on the right hand side bottom corner is the altimeter. I'm using a built-in GPS data logger inside the glider to combine it with this video to make all these effects. This was a real nice summer day. I flew about 4 hours at about 100 miles. And at this point, I'm just flying at what we call minimum sink speed, which will give me the longest time in the air. At this time, I'm very close to the airport and just working my way down to get into the pattern, which will be a downwind leg, and we'll be landing to the south. At this point, I'm just going to make a slow right-hand descending turn to end up on the downwind leg, landing on runway 18 at TSA. There's the airport right on the nose right now. All right, let's pick up speed. It's nose down. About 6 p.m., so I guess there's no more thermals today. All right, at this time, let's just watch the remainder of the landing. Traffic, PW-7's on left downwind for 18 TSA. Right. Four hours, not bad. All right, thanks for watching. So if you have an interest in flying gliders and sailplanes, ultralight aircraft, radio control, NASA, and more, be sure and subscribe to my channel and you'll get the latest videos that I make public. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the air next time. Bye-bye.